Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use voice typing to write hands-free in Google Docs. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to Google Drive, and after that you can create a new document by clicking on a new, and after that Google Docs and blank document or from a template. And we already explained those two options in a previous video. You can go to check it, or you can work on a created document that you created in the past. You have to double click on it, and after that, to find that option you have to go and click on tools, scroll down or go down a little bit until you find voice typing. Click on it, and as you can see here, first of all you have to choose the language. There is a lot of languages that you can use or choose of them. Arabic, English, French, Indian, all the language are available here. And after that you have just to click on the micro to start typing. So I will give you an example. Hello and welcome everyone. So as you can see, it typed what I said, and that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.